Show me how you swim like an otter. Is that how you swim like an otter? Or is that how you're backing up like a truck? Can you say hi to Daddy?
Hi, Daddy.
Tell him that you miss him.
I miss you, Daddy.
Say see you soon.
See you soon.
Love you.
Love you. And see you.
Well, we're going to send this to Daddy, so he'll see you talking to him.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be nice. Can you say, what else do you want to say to Daddy? Do you want to give him a kiss?
Yeah.
Blow him a kiss.
In the bottom of me.
Yeah.
There's a hole in the bottom of me.
There is no hole in the bottom of the red. That's right. Can you say night-night, Daddy?
Night-night, Daddy.